Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to be the part of Gadget2 family, hit the subscribe button now. If you are trying the Apple Watch screen protector and your watch face and touch screen are not responding, this video is made for you to find a solution. First of all, remove the watch. Enter your passcode if you have one. Then go to the setting and find the passcode option. At the bottom of the list, you'll find wrist detection and turn it off. Put your Apple Watch back again and you'll see the screen is working perfectly. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us.